and to embrace a culture of respect for human rights is reflected in our action. 9 core human rights. We have been championing inclusivity through the Voluntary Trust Fund. In the past year, we successfully participated in the second periodic review of the ICCPR and submitted our second periodic report under the Convention Against Torture. This year, we will undergo reviews under the CRC, CERD, and CRPD, along with the fourth cycle of the Universal Periodic Review. This is by no means a small feat, but we are determined to fulfill our obligations. Our international commitments mirror our national agenda. Gender equality is at the heart of that agenda. Because we believe when women rise, society rises. Through our Gender Equality Action Plan, we have empowered women to lead, build, and innovate. We have sought to enhance women's participation in politics and strengthen their economic independence to ensure their full and equal contributions to the nation's development and prosperity. We are also committed to building a fully inclusive society where persons with disabilities are empowered to lead dignified lives. Our National Action Plan on Disability Inclusion is a 5-year roadmap focused on ensuring access to healthcare, education, employment, and accessibility. We are proud that Maldives played a pioneering role in the historic recognition of the right to a clean, healthy, sustainable environment as a universal human right. But as we speak, the climate crisis is unfolding around us at a fast pace, threatening not just our livelihoods, but our fundamental rights. Rising sea levels, extreme weather, and environmental degradation have constantly plunged our right to food, clean energy, and health in jeopardy. So we reiterate, recognition alone is not enough. We must operationalize this right. As part of this effort in the Maldives, we are installing renewable energy systems to meet 33% of our national electricity demand and developing Ras Male as a net zero carbon eco-city. Recognizing and acknowledging is also not enough in the case of the unimaginable devastation that unfolded in Gaza for over 15 months. The Council cannot and should not look away, but speak with moral clarity and unequivocally condemn Israel's crime against humanity. For how we act today will be one of the greatest tests of our shared commitment to justice, to human dignity, and to the principles of UN Charter that binds us all. The Maldives welcomes last month's ceasefire agreement, but let us be clear, ceasefires are not lasting solutions. The international community must do more than rebuild what was destroyed. We must restore the dignity, the rights, and the lives of the Palestinian people. Mr. President, this is our final year in this Council for this term. When we were first elected to this Council in 2010, we were the smallest country to take a seat. Yet, time and again, we have proved that size does not determine the power of its voice, the sincerity of its convictions, and the ability to inspire change. We are proud of our contribution to the mission of this Council. From assuming the Vice Presidency in 2023 to establishing a voluntary trust fund for the SIDS and LDCs to lead the international recognition of human rights to a safe, healthy, and sustainable environment, we have strived to be a source of hope and a voice of strength, especially for those underrepresented. We see continue this role because we believe that every voice, no matter how small, deserves to be heard. Let the choices we make today serve as a testament to our collective resolve, our unity, and our shared conscience. Choices that speak to the world we hope to build, not just for ourselves, but for the future generations. A world that stands up for human rights, a world that upholds justice, a world that affirms humanity. I thank you all.
Agradecemos al ministro de Relaciones Exteriores de Maldivas y a continuación tengo el honor de ceder la palabra.
PSM ಗೆ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ತೋಗ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ತೋಗ ಬ್ಯಾವರಿಮ ಮುಳಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋತೆ PSM app download koduma phone number awa registry kolla miepu fennane PSM ge channel takon ufadda huri ha program take elis komme program ge page tap kolli ma fennane bæver ve